How's it going, Parker, Texas? My name's Adam with Inspired Ironworks and Iron Fence Painting. Today we're doing a restoration. We've done a couple repairs here and there, and now we're just painting the fence. So if you need something like this, if you need, anything from a full fence installation, an automatic gate, small minor fence repair, or even fence painting, we're also doing the balcony railing upstairs, you can see behind me. So stuff like that, if you want somebody that does quality work, we're definitely the people for you. We pride ourselves in answering the phone long after we've completed the work if you ever have any issues. And our mantra has been more quality over quantity. I'm directly involved in all the projects, so it's not a thing where you're being sold on a job and then a bunch of subcontractors show up and they don't know the communication that you had with me, vice versa. So it's a how do we say, a more personable process working with us. But we've been in the business for about 15 years in the local Allen area. So anyhow, just wanted to say hello and introduce myself. Give us a call if you need some fence work or work on your railings, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.